Whenever you're handling a seller's objection, especially the very pointed questions they may ask you, like what happens if you miss a payment? Okay, be very honest with them. I try to be painfully honest with a seller who will ask me that question. I try to interject some humor in it if I can. If I have a seller ask me, for example, what's going to happen if you don't make the payments? I'm not going to, stumble around and try to find the perfect words to say. I'm going to say, well, Mr. Seller, if I don't make the payments and the loan's still in your name, your credit's going to be fried, okay? It's going to totally be a late payment on a mortgage, which is probably the worst thing you can possibly have. And if I don't make payments long enough, they'll foreclose on the house. But we've been doing this for a really long time. It's how we do business. I can give you a list of references. We've never had that happen, okay? I think they appreciate that type of honesty, that you're not trying to dance around it, you're trying to be very upfront with them, and that's what I would recommend that you do.